Welcome. In this video, I want to talk, it's going to be probably a short video. I want to talk about making sure if you have a multiple orders, you're not messing up, or somebody that's loading your vehicle, not messing up an order. I had a situation today. It was raining, and it was 3:20, so it was about 4 o'clock. A lot of people started showing up, to pick up orders, and they tried to, keep the trays that they those blue trays that at Walmart, they tried to keep it inside and bring out. So he had 2 orders on the cart. How he messed it up, or she, I'm not gonna try to point a finger. Not sure, but when I asked him for a tag, he brought me out 2 orders in his hand, and both of them with the same tag. I knew immediately something wrong, because I was not able to verify the bins to make sure that, they're taking stuff and put it in the car correctly. So I knew immediately something's wrong. So I'm like, brought it to his attention. He realized that something wrong. Second thing, I always, when I come in, I kind of have an idea how many items should be, for each order. Like this was a 13 item and 10 items. So, they both should have been about the same amount of items. One was 17 and one was 18 units, which, makes it really clear and obvious that they both should have been about alike. One thing I don't like about Walmart, they do not update the items that actually should be in the order. So if there's any items that, they credited the customer because they were not out of stock, they do not update our side. So he had to go in his app and verify and separate the orders correctly and identify which items are which. So because actual count on our end not accurate. So when you arrive, let's say example, to your Walmart, and you have 2 orders or the batch of 2 stops, please keep your eye on the person. The person I'm talking about, been with Walmart for as long as I know. I can know, as long as I've seen him there. But people make mistakes, especially when, pressure changes. The process through which they expense those orders changes. Like today, it did change. There was like 5 cars. And yeah, it didn't turn out great. So what I'm trying to say, help him out, and it's your responsibility. At the end of the day, you are the one that's going to be delivering, and at the end of the day, you are going to be the one that will be dinged for missing items or items that customer didn't order. How many customers actually call Walmart and say, hey, I didn't order this? Especially if it's a good item, they'll keep it and stay silent. The other customer that didn't receive it but got charged for it, he will definitely call and say, hey, those items are missing. So please help out. You are protecting yourself at the end of the day. So he'll help out and make sure that right orders are going in the right places and you are delivering them to the right customers and there's no mess up. For driving, for as long as I've been driving for Walmart, I already ran into 3 situations. One situation in Meridian where orders were messed up. Next situation was in Nampa where a new person was being trained and the trainer was not watching what the new person was doing, and they were just grabbing from both bins and throwing it in the trunk. So we just had those orders just combined. Then we had to separate, and a third situation which happened today. Accidents happen, but we are the last ones that can actually stop that accident from getting delivered to the customer. So all I want to say, be smart, be wise, and take care of your customers. I know they're not yours, they're Walmart's, but hey, if they tip, they're yours. So take care of them, and be blessed.